Hello everyone, welcome. I want to present the architecture of our system that you're going to be using toward the course. And I'm going to start here from the public network where you're going to have a web firewall where you're going to be using the ModSecurity and Nginx to block malicious requests to our system. Then you're going to have the authentication gateway where you're going to be validating the request to check if the request is authorized. And then you're going to be using a identity provider where we will authenticate our users again through, and you're going to be using open source one, which will be, it's called Keycloak, which offers identity and access management for us very easily. And then we will provide here different way of authentication. I'm going to be using user authentication, but we will also use service authentication. We're using client credentials, so we're going to see the difference of both. On this process of authentication, I'm going to be using OpenID Connect, or also known as OIDC, which is the most advanced and modern way of performing authentication in the systems. And then we are going to also see how to configure a secure connection between our user and our system. And we are going to also see how to manage digital certificates and use them to authenticate our service requests, and also how to validate the identity of service of the server and the client at the same time. This process is known as MTLS. So we are going to have MTLS in our system between our services call. And all this is going to be managed using sidecars, where you are going to be decoupling this security from our application code and manage all that on the network side, sort of thing. And we are going to also, on the sidecar, we will be leveraging open policy enforcement to verify if a request is authorized to access a given system. The same way you're going to be checking users' authorization, and we'll be doing that very, very simple using our sidecars for that. And we're going to learn more about open policy enforcement. And this will be a lot of elements that you're going to be using. You're going to be using many open source tools, patterns, and standards from the industry. And they're going to be also learning about each one of these tools that you're going to be using. And also, you can find everything that you have done, because everything will be hands-on and you'll be practical course. You can find all them in this repository here, and you will be able to download it and start using on your project. We'll also learn about the OpenID flow and understand each step on the way. We'll also dive into the JWT and get to know more about the underhood of the web tokens. And we'll be leveraging OWASP ModSecurity for part of our system. We'll also leverage this other project from OWASP, which is a very prestigious foundation for security. And we'll be learning how really works the sidecar and how we can use that approach to leverage, to decouple things from the application and alleviate developers from some responsibility. So I think you're going to enjoy a lot of this course. So enjoy and see you there.